Buongiorno a tutti, welcome to Sonja in Roma. So today it's Sunday morning and we are at Piazza Sant'Eustachio having a coffee, and we project to go to one of the most famous market here in Rome. It's at Porta Portese, and it's the Porta Portese market. There we will discover what they have to offer. It goes usually from house equipment to beauty product to some clothes and antiquities. So it's always a surprise because it's difficult to say before what we are about to find there. Just a few advices for you if you've never been there. Take care of your stuff and make attention to put them in a safe place because there may be some pickpockets. And then another thing, take with you some cash because in some stores you should not be able to pay with the credit card. So detto questo, this said, now let's enjoy the market at Porta Portese. Now we arrive at Largo di Torre Argentina, or simply Argentina as Romans call it, a square that feels both ancient and everyday. Beneath our feet lie the ruins of the four Republican-era temples, part of the Era Sacra di Largo Argentina, discovered in the 1920s. This is also near the spot where Julius Caesar was assassinated in the Curia of Pompeii, whose theatre foundation still lies buried under the city. Yet life goes on. Stray cats wander among the ruins, local and tourists across the streets above, buses roll by. The mix of sacred ruins, political memory, theatre and everyday bustle is exactly what makes Largo Argentina so charming. History quietly humming beneath the rhythm of Roman life. So as you can see here, there is a tram. You can also, if you are a bit lazy, don't walk till the Porta Portese market and just take the tram that will leave you just next to the market. Now we cross the Tevere. On the left, the Isola Tiberina rises, and just above, the Pronto Soccorso, the hospital, keeps watch. A reminder of healing and history all at once. On our right, a postcard perfect view unfolds. The majestic cupolone of St. Peter's Basilica looms in the background, dominating the skyline. Once across the river, our eyes land on a peculiar medieval-looking building. This is the so-called Casa di Dante, believed by some to have housed Dante Alighieri. But here is the twist: despite the name, there is no solid proof that Dante ever actually lived here. Now we walk up Via di Trastevere, the street that will eventually lead us to the station. Along the way we pass the historic Basilica di San Grisogono, catch a glimpse to the charming Cinema Troisi, and spot the Ministero dell'Istruzione e del Merito. Not far ahead, the elegant Scala Ugo Bassi guides our step, a quiet reminder of the layers of history woven in this lively street. Welcome to Porta Portese, the beating heart of Rome's Sunday flea market. Its origins date back to the early 19th, when the area near the old city gate became a gathering place for merchants, artisans, and everyday Romans looking to sell or swap their goods. Today it stretches for nearby 2 kilometers, a labyrinth of stalls that seems to have no end. Here you will find a curious mix: vintage clothing and shoes, second-hand treasures, antique curiosities, and even quirky bric-a-brac that seems pulled straight from the Roman memory. Don't expect fresh food or gourmet products. This market is about discovery, surprise, and the thrill of the hunt. What makes Porta Portese truly emblematic is its energy, the chatter of the vendors, the shuffle of tourists and locals, the timeless rhythm of haggling and browsing. Walking here is like stepping into a living postcard of Rome, chaotic, charming, and utterly unforgettable.
Quella 150. E le autres? Ultimo prezzo. Ultimo è primo? Prima 200. Ah, 200.
Voir les jolis bateaux se promener sur elle.
Qua dovremmo trovare.
you've understood it. You can spend hours wandering through Porta-Portes and go home with a whole assortment of treasures. Some priceless, some perfectly useless. All undeniably irresistible. If you enjoy this work, feel free to comment, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon on the next video. Ci vediamo tra poco. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao!